Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So before we begin, as always, please consider subscribing to the channel and also turn on post notification and like and share the videos. So now if you go over to my channel, now you can go to the playlist in here, and in here you can find the playlist with different kind of videos. So in this way I try to make as many groups as possible of my videos in different languages, obviously. And so it will be easier for you to find the videos which you want, because obviously if you go through all the videos, it will take too much time for you to find the video you like. And since today we are talking about LEUPAY, and about getting payments from LEUPAY, now you have this option in here on the playlist. You have the LEUPAY English, and in here you have all the videos from the first one to the last one, only for the LEUPAY account. And obviously, as you can see from the thumbnail, today I'm going to show you that I just got my payment, all the money that I sent from Kraken to my account, to my LEUPAY account. And yeah, I'm very happy about this because as you may already know from the last episode, I withdrew 50 euros from my Kraken account. As you can see in here, it was yesterday on 10 a.m. In the morning. So I withdrew 50 euros minus the fee of 9 cents in here, and you can see that the amount which I will get is 49.91. and if we go to my LEUPAY account, you can see in here that the balance is already in my account 49.91. If we go to the transaction, you can see 26 July at 11:27. So this means that the transaction from Kraken to LEUPAY with SEPA bank transfer, it took almost 24 hours, and I'm very happy because even with a payment of credit card, maybe sometimes it can take a little bit longer than 24 hours. So basically the transfer from a crypto exchange to your LEUPAY account in euro with SEPA works. It worked for me. Obviously it depends on your country, but since if your country is listed on LEUPAY and you are able to open an account, then I'm pretty sure that it will be the same thing for you. Obviously this video was just to show you that I got my payment. I will make other videos to show you guys the further steps, because now we need to know how we can get our money out, to get them in cash on our bank, local bank. But most of all, what I personally am interested in is to get the money out of LEUPAY in cash via the cards which I have ordered with LEUPAY. And as you may know, I have ordered two of them, one in euro and one in US dollars. So yeah, basically that was it for today. And as I told you, I will make other videos. I will make another video to see if we can transfer money from CEX, the crypto exchange CEX, if you have an account, an open account there, and see if we can get our money out from there too, because I know that CES offers the SEPA transfer method. So we are going to see that practically if that works or not. So yeah, that's it again, guys. Thanks very much for watching, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos, because it would help me very much to grow the channel. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.